updated my bike. It's looking pretty good. Color coordinated. Grips. Brake grips. Hair too, of course. We got a computer. Tells me how fast I'm going. We got a horn right here, guys. Got a little light. We push the button, turns red. We got a new flashlight. Bag with another phone holder right here. The back fender. Just busted my brake cable, so gotta replace that. Already ordered the parts. Got brand new brakes on. I'm ready to ride, but my brake cable's busted. No brake. But I got a new one ordered, guys. Can't wait to go riding again.